A is for airplane.
G is for cargo plane. See its massive engines come to life as personnel move with purpose on the tarmac.
G is for glider. It glides through the sky.
H is for helicopter. Watch the helicopter fly over the trees.
J is for jet plane. See the fighter jet fly through the sky. L is for light aircraft. The light aircraft flies high in the sky.
O is for observation plane, flying high in the sky. It watches from above and keeps a
P
lookout.
is for passenger plane. The passengers are boarding the passenger. The passenger plane will take them on a trip. N is for night plane. Watch the night plane land. Night plane is landing
Q
now.
is for quick jet. See the Quicket Airlines jet taxiing quickly. Q is for
R
quick.
is for rescue helicopter. Watch the crew rescue someone from high and safely pulled aboard. Mission accomplished. S is for seaplane.
Watch its propeller spin.
Seaplanes can land on water. T is for transport plane.
Watch the transport plane move.
T is for transport plane. Hi kids, U is for ultralight plane. It has a lightweight frame and a powerful little engine.
Z is for Zeppelin.
Look at the big silver Zeppelin gliding through the clouds.
Z for Zeppelin.